Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. This is the first part of a series on pivot charts videos. In this video, we will look at how to set up a pivot chart and visually compare different fields from a data source. Pivot charts are a great way to quickly visualize our data in a unique and interactable way. To create a pivot chart from the source data, select a cell from the table, go under the Insert tab, and use the Pivot Chart button. We can alternatively create pivot charts from existing pivot tables. To do this, we select the Pivot table, go under the Insert tab, and use the Pivot Chart button. If our existing pivot table is populated with data, we will be asked to select a style of chart. For our example, we will use a bar graph. To visualize a country's population over time, drag and drop Entity into Filters, Year into Axis, and Population into Values. In the Values section, we should use the drop-down button from Population to change the value settings from Sum to Average to visualize how the average population has changed over time. Now, we can use the drop-down with the chart to choose which countries or continents' population we would like to visualize within the chart. We can also select multiple countries from the drop-down to average the populations across several sections. To move the pivot chart to its own sheet, under the Pivot Chart Analyze tab, use the Move Chart button, select New Sheet, and press OK. The pivot table and pivot chart will still be linked to one another, so if we make changes to one, it will impact the other, but now they are exclusively visible on separate sheets. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the Excel sheet from our website to practice the functions yourself.